Imagine making money online, not just during your working hours but around the clock. Even while you sleep, your digital assets are hard at work, generating income. For thousands of individuals, this isn't a dream, it's their everyday reality. They're experiencing the power of passive income firsthand, all thanks to the rise of faceless YouTube channels, intelligently powered by the latest AI technology. These creators don't need fancy cameras or expensive equipment to get started. They don't even need advanced video editing skills or prior technical expertise. So, what's their secret to success? It's the strategic use of free AI tools that can generate engaging video ideas, write compelling scripts, create professional-sounding voiceovers, and even produce captivating video clips. All you need to get started is a reliable computer and a stable internet connection. In essence, you become the director of your own automated content factory, orchestrating the entire process from start to finish. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can quickly produce high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. This allows you to grow a dedicated audience on popular platforms like YouTube and capture attention on trending platforms like TikTok. You can set up a channel focusing on engaging topics like history, explore the wonders of science, or delve into the world of meditation and mindfulness, and then simply let AI handle the majority of the content creation process. This allows your channel to remain active, even while you're busy with other commitments or enjoying a well-deserved vacation. Your channel keeps publishing fresh content on a consistent schedule. Your subscriber count steadily grows as more people discover your content, and you start earning revenue from ads displayed on your videos, commissions from affiliate links you include in your video descriptions, or lucrative sponsorships from brands eager to reach your audience. This isn't some far-fetched science fiction scenario. It's a real and tangible opportunity happening right now for countless creators all around the world. Once you master the fundamental workflow for creating a single video, you can easily scale up your production to 10 videos, or even 100 videos, expanding your reach and potential income streams. You can experiment by testing different topics and content styles, all with minimal effort on your part. And if a particular video performs exceptionally well and resonates with your audience, you can simply instruct your AI tools to create more videos just like it, capitalizing on its success. Ordinary people just like you are building thriving media empires from the comfort of their own bedrooms, leveraging the power of AI to create sustainable businesses that work diligently for them around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's never been a better time, truly. The stars are aligned, the technology is ready, and the audience is waiting. To start an AI-powered YouTube channel, the barriers to entry have never been lower, and the potential for growth is astronomical. Advanced, free AI tools are now readily available, putting powerful capabilities at your fingertips. They now handle tasks that once required a whole team, tasks that were previously time-consuming and expensive, like writing scripts, crafting compelling narratives, and structuring your videos for maximum impact, and generating voices, creating professional-sounding narration without ever needing a microphone, and even finding stock footage. Sourcing high-quality visuals to enhance your videos has never been easier or more affordable. You don't need to be a writer, speaker, or editor to create engaging content. You can now compete with top channels, even if you're just starting out. The rise of short-form content is changing the game, especially on YouTube Shorts and TikTok, where attention spans are short and virality is king. This means even new channels can go viral overnight, reaching massive audiences in a matter of hours. AI lets you produce dozens, even hundreds of quick, engaging videos, maximizing your output and reach, ultimately boosting your chances of success and helping you achieve your YouTube goals. Traditional YouTubers might spend a week on one video, pouring hours into every detail, but with AI, you can create similar content in under an hour, freeing up your time and energy. This efficiency helps you post consistently, a key factor in growing your channel. It's something the YouTube algorithm loves, rewarding consistent uploads with increased visibility. Consistency builds momentum, creating a snowball effect that propels your channel forward, leading to exponential growth as your videos reach more and more viewers. All without burnout, allowing you to enjoy the process and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Viewers care more about quality and value than ever before. They are more interested in the information you provide than seeing your face, making faceless AI channels ideal for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. This is especially true for educational, list, or meditation content, where the focus is on the information itself. You can build a loyal community around your passion, connecting with like-minded individuals, all while staying anonymous, protecting your privacy, and maintaining control over your online presence. It's the perfect blend of innovation and personal space. It's a perfect blend of privacy, efficiency, and opportunity, offering a unique path to success on YouTube. Building your AI-powered channel starts with the right free tools. For scripts, use ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Just give them a topic and get a full script in seconds. For voiceovers, ElevenLabs and Microsoft Clipchamp offer realistic, human-like AI voices for free. For visuals, Pexels and Pixabay provide millions of royalty-free videos and images. Canva is your go-to for custom graphics, titles, and thumbnails. No design skills needed. Edit everything together in Microsoft Clipchamp, which runs in your browser and is perfect for beginners. Import your AI voiceover, add stock footage, and include text or captions easily. For more advanced editing, DaVinci Resolve is a free professional-grade option. With these tools, you have a complete production studio at your fingertips. No budget required. Start creating, experiment, and upgrade your workflow as your skills grow. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Your channel's success starts with picking the right niche. Choose a topic with a large, interested audience but not overwhelming competition. Think evergreen subjects like history, psychology, finance, or meditation. Use YouTube's search bar to check demand. If you see lots of suggested terms, people are searching for it. Research other channels in your niche. Are they getting views and subscribers? Some niches, like finance or tech, earn higher ad rates and offer great affiliate marketing opportunities. While passion matters, a profitable niche helps you turn your channel into a real business faster. Niche down. Instead of history, try Forgotten Battles of World War II. A focused niche makes you the go-to expert, helps YouTube recommend your videos, and builds a dedicated community. The right niche is your foundation for fast, sustainable growth. With your niche chosen, it's time to script your first video, and AI makes this easy. Use ChatGPT or similar tools, but give clear, detailed prompts for the best results. For example, write a 5-minute YouTube script about the top 5 surprising facts about Roman gladiators in a storytelling style. The AI generates a full script in seconds, usually with a hook, main points, and a conclusion. Don't just copy and paste, review, refine, and add your personal touch for flow and engagement. Ask the AI to help edit, make the intro more suspenseful, or use shorter sentences. Structure your script for high retention. Start with a strong hook, deliver on your title, and keep viewers engaged with storytelling and questions. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that keep viewers watching. Use AI to brainstorm hooks or improve pacing, turning basic facts into captivating stories. With AI, you save hours and create scripts that keep audiences coming back. Now, bring your script to life with an AI voiceover. Modern tools like ElevenLabs offer voices that sound natural and engaging, crucial for keeping viewers watching. Simply paste your script. Choose a voice that fits your channel's style and adjust speed or pitch as needed. Avoid generic robotic voices. Invest a little time to find a high-quality option. The goal viewers shouldn't realize it's AI. Prepare your script for the best results. Break up long sentences, use punctuation for natural pauses, and spell words phonetically if needed. A well-optimized script makes your voiceover smooth and professional. Add emotion and clarity to your narration for maximum impact. With the right AI voice, your videos sound polished and trustworthy. Great audio keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. With your script and voiceover ready, it's time to assemble your video. No camera needed. Use stock footage from Pexels and edit in Microsoft Clipchamp. Match visuals to your narration. If you mention ancient Rome, search for Rome or Colosseum clips. Import your voiceover, then layer and trim video clips to sync with the audio. Change visuals every 4-7 seconds to keep attention, and use simple transitions for a professional look. Add captions. Most people watch on mobile, often with sound off. Clipchamp can auto-generate these. Highlight key points with on-screen text using clean, readable fonts. Reinforce your message visually for better retention. Add subtle, royalty-free background music from the YouTube audio library to set the mood. Keep music volume low so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Once everything's in place, export your video, ready for YouTube. The whole process can take less than an hour. Can you really make money with faceless AI YouTube channels? Absolutely. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn ad revenue. CPM varies by niche. From $4 in history to $30 plus in finance. Successful channels get millions of views monthly. 2 million views at a $6 CPM means $12,000 in ad revenue. The secret is evergreen content that keeps earning for years. But ad revenue is just the start. Affiliate marketing can be even more lucrative. Link to relevant products in your descriptions and earn commissions on sales. Add sponsorships and your own digital products or merch as your channel grows. Many creators earn 6 figures by combining these income streams. With the right strategy, a faceless AI channel can become a highly profitable business. Many new creators stumble right out of the gate by being inconsistent. It's a common pitfall, but easily avoidable with a little planning. They start off strong, posting a few videos with enthusiasm, then get discouraged and quit when the results don't immediately reflect their efforts and growth is slow. YouTube, however, rewards regular uploads and consistent engagement. Commit to a realistic schedule that you can maintain and stick with it for at least 6 months to see tangible results. Consistency is key to building an audience. Don't sacrifice quality for the sake of quantity. Avoid robotic voices that can deter viewers. Aim for a natural and engaging tone. Always add captions to make your content accessible to a wider audience, and always include a strong hook in the first few seconds to grab viewers' attention. Remember, your first videos won't be perfect, and that's perfectly okay. Don't be discouraged if they don't get many views initially. That's a normal part of the process. Treat them as valuable practice and learning experiences. Each video is a chance to refine your skills, experiment with new techniques, and learn what resonates with your audience through analytics and feedback. The biggest mistake you can make is giving up too soon before you've had a chance to truly grow. Success on YouTube comes to those who persist through challenges and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. So, start now. There's no perfect moment to begin your YouTube journey, and you absolutely don't need to know everything before you take that first step. Explore the free AI tools we've covered in this course and start experimenting with incorporating them into your workflow. To further help you get started, check out our comprehensive AI YouTube Starter Kit. It includes direct links to the best AI-powered tools, a detailed video creation checklist to guide you through the process, and 50 profitable niche ideas to spark your creativity. Don't wait for permission or a sign. Everything you need to begin building your channel is right at your fingertips. Start building your automated video empire, one carefully crafted video at a time. Start today and begin your journey.